So let's get into the app. The first thing that we run into with the app that is um, different from what people are used to if you're, for example, shopping on a target.com is searching within the app is not like a Google search. The biggest, easiest thing is less is more when using the app. So for example, when you go to Google, you search gas water heater 40 gallons. Google is looking for and pulling up results that include any of those words, and it also has algorithms to try and figure out that if you say gas water heater, is that really what you meant, or did you mean something else? So it's learning as you're going. For our system, that's not the way it works. So for example, if I type in gas water heater 40 gallons, there's no results. Obviously, we sell gas water heaters, we sell 40 gallons, but when I shorten up the words, I yield 4 results. Same as you can see, I did an underground gas pipe, only one item, probably not the one you're looking for. It's not track pipe, it's not probably what you're looking to pick up. Type in pipe under, shorten up the phrasing, and I yield 8 results. The biggest reason for this is the app talks and goes into our computer system, our Eclipse system. And Eclipse is designed for our guys knowing how it works, knowing the nomenclature, knowing the short codes to type it real fast. So as you're running off a list to them on the other side of the counter, they're just typing it real quick. It's not a slow search through Target's entire vast 10,000 or 100,000 items and pulling up from there. So that's why it is a little bit of a learning curve to figure out how to search things. The biggest thing to make this easier is keywords. So when you get a printout of our orders, it has, like for a copper fitting, it might have COP 2300D, and then it'll just say copper 1/2 90. There's no additional info, or COP, I think, it doesn't even say copper. There's no additional information. Inside our system, there's keywords that we can put into, I think, up to 1,000 different keywords, so that we can put in some of these longer terms like gas, water, heater, so that if you're searching, it won't necessarily show up in your printout and on your invoice, but it can be there. So the more that we have folks that use the app that tell us that they've been having trouble searching for something, the better off our system will be, because we can make those adjustments. The other thing I like to point out is in our industry, as I'm sure you all know, the same item, the same product can be called 5 to 10 different things based on who taught you, how long they've been in the business, or just because the same thing has 10 different ways to say it, as well as 10 different ways to spell it. All those types of things, as far as this is how I call it, I don't know what you call it, only helps us to put in the keywords so that when you are searching through the system, it can make it better. So when I was preparing for this, I discovered that our sheet metal does not have the word sheet metal in it. So thank you very much to Terry, who is an attendee today, went through and SMT is our code. He went through to add that everything that is sheet metal will now have the word sheet metal and sheet metal in it, so that when you're searching for it and don't know that code, you'll be able to find it with these. So just something to help us, to help things get better for you.